What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So we do have another project on the bench, but this is actually gonna get off the bench here in the next couple of days because the 48-hour group build is gonna start. But I do want to show you what I do have up and what you should be expecting after the 48-hour build. So if you are a long time subscriber on my channel, you will realize this is a model that has been on my channel before. So this is the Revell Dodge Magnum, and as you remember, I done the, like I said, if you're a long time subscriber, you remember I done the blue version with the Pexas wheels. That thing turned out pretty cool. So I had another one in my stash, so I was like, what the heck, I might as well build another one because it's actually a pretty cool wagon. So this one is a little bit different, and I'm going to explain why. Because I'm going to the wheels and the grill, I done something different. So there's the body. Body looks pretty good. So the grill, I actually shaved the whole center right out and down here because this is all molded in one piece. And then I was like, well, there's some aftermarket bumpers. There's actually nothing in here because I thought it was pretty cool. So I went ahead and scribed that right out. This bumper took quite a bit of hours. I mean, I probably spent like 8 hours on that thing. So, but that's finally done. Oh my gosh. So that's pretty good. The body is pretty much, the panel lines on this thing's actually pretty decent. Only one issue I found on this body is there's a little pivot hole on both sides, right here and right here. I'm not sure you can see it, but yeah, there you go. I had to do some putty work because there's a little dent in the A, B, C, D, E pillar. So, but yeah, that's not a big deal. So we had to putty that up, and it looks pretty good. But yeah, the body looks pretty good. So you wonder what color this is? I am so struggling to not do this as a dark color, but I'm not. I'm actually gonna do the complete opposite as a dark color. Splash paints. The white is white. We're doing this the whitest white color. We're doing the top notch, not dark color. So this is gonna be one heck of a light color. I actually never done a white model before, so this actually be pretty cool. I actually found some pictures online. I'll show you on the screen right now. A white body with white wheels, or black wheels with a chrome trim. So, and you can see the wheels in the background. So yes, this is the color I'm going with. The splash paints, white is white. The white is white out there, and the white is white. So there is no white out there as white as that. So I don't even know what I'm saying. So, but I thought this would look pretty cool in white. So the back bumper will be glued on, and you can glue on the front bumper as well before paint. But since there's a big open hole there, I got mesh, and I'm gonna put mesh between there, make that look a million times better. Obviously I cut the size, but so I can't really glue it on until after paint because it might be kind of difficult to get the mesh in there. And yeah, so we're gonna have to do the bumper separately, not a big deal, but there's actually some big touch-up points, so that I don't mind. If there's like no touch-up points, then it's kind of hard because I do like to glue my body parts before paint because I don't like to use CA glue on my body parts. But this is fine because, like I said, there's big touch-up points on here, so that will do it for me. So that's it for the body. The wheels, we are gonna go with these wheels by Iwashima. They are called Bugle. Awesome name, Bugle 20-inch wheels. These wheels are actually pretty cool. If you never seen the Iwashima kit or wheel set before, you get the wheels, tires, and you get some poly caps. There they are. Which I don't really use these, but pretty cool. And then you do get a decal sheet with some license plates or whatever, some badgings for the wheels and stuff. So that's pretty cool. But that's not interesting. This is more interesting. The wheels right here are very cool. It's actually a two-piece wheel, and I'll show you. There's the one piece. So this piece is gonna get painted black, as you see in the picture, or saw in the picture. And then here's the actual chrome trim. This is actually I'm actually gonna keep this chrome, and it actually just slides right on there, and then the wheel just, or the tire I should say, just slides right in there under the body. A white body with black wheels. I think that's gonna look very cool. The kit does come with pre-tinted windows, so I'm really looking forward to that. That's actually pretty cool. And then the tail lights, I might actually keep the tail lights clear, because you know how some of those cars tail lights are actually clear. So I might actually do that. So this is actually be a pretty cool wagon. The engine, I got the big old Hemi here. The engine's actually very good. They're saying paint this orange, which I've seen some pictures. They're not really orange, they're like aluminum, because newer cars, they don't paint engines, they just keep it as the metal color. So I'm just gonna do aluminum. And a cool addition of this kit is, oh, you get a guitar. Nothing better than the guitar, so I might actually do this body color. And then, yeah, that should be very cool. But that's pretty much all I was going for. There's not much. I just gotta get this in the primer, but I probably won't do that until after the 48-hour build, or maybe I might do it tomorrow before the build starts. Who knows? But that's it for now. I do want to show you what I am building, and my camera's out of focus. There we go. But that's it for now. The interior, I'm gonna explain what I'm gonna do to the interior on my next update video. But other than that, until my next video, I'll catch you guys tomorrow night. I'm gonna do my intro video, or not intro video. I'm gonna do my first update, you should say, for the 48-hour build tomorrow night, 8 p.m. my time. But other than that, until next time, tomorrow, catch you guys later. Bye for now.